Hello everyone! Welcome, dear friends, to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can type any character on iPhone. Be sure, friends, subscribe to the channel. Also, please put your likes, and do not forget, friends, write comments. So let's get into this topic. If you would like to insert some symbol in your text, I will show you some methods how you can do it. To do this, open up any messenger or perhaps notes so that you have your keyboard open. And there are a couple of methods so that you can type in any character you want. The first is to click on the emoji keyboard. Then go here, for example, to different symbols. If you click on heart, there will be different heart symbols. Also, as you can see, there are other emoji here, for example, the forbidden sign, stop sign, and so on. As you can see, there are very many different emoji with symbols. And here you can find what you need will be what you need. Also, friends, one more method. This is in the keyboard. Click on the 1, 2, 3 sign. Now you can scroll through maybe your keyboard with signs, and here you can find some symbol that you need. And the third method for this, you'll need to open a web browser. And then your web browser just sees what you need to find. For example, if you are looking for infinity symbol, so you see in the search infinity symbol, then from the text, find that symbol, click on it, copy it, and then you can transfer the copied symbol and paste it into your text by clicking paste. So absolutely any symbol that you can't find on your keyboard, you can copy from your web browser and paste it into your text. These are the methods you can use, friends, to type absolutely any character on iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. See you, friends.